Welcome back. We are now moving into more advanced OP structures. Sometimes, a class is so closely related to another class that it only makes sense to define it inside the outer class. This nested definition is called an inner class. 1. Why use an inner class? Inner classes are used primarily for logical grouping. If a class, like address or engine, is tightly coupled and specific to only one other class, like person or car, it's best to nest it. This improves code organization and readability by keeping related components together. 2. Defining the inner class. We define the laptop class directly inside the student class. The laptop class is completely normal with its own constructor and method. This structure suggests that a laptop is conceptually part of a student record, though technically, the two classes remain independent until we link them via instantiation. 3. Accessing and instantiating. To instantiate the inner class laptop from outside the student class, we must use the dot notation, student, laptop, followed by the parentheses and arguments. This creates a separate laptop object, which we store in the laptop_obj variable. We can then call its method show_specs. 4. Linking inner object to outer object. There is a approach is to instantiate the inner class inside the outer class's constructor. The outer constructor takes all necessary parameters and creates the inner object, storing it as an attribute, self.laptop. When calling the constructor inside the outer class, we use self.laptop. To summarize, inner classes help organize related components. This concludes our dedicated coverage of Python's class features. Garbage collection is Python's automatic memory management system that reclaims space used by defunct objects. Join me in Lecture 16.13, Garbage Collection. See you there.